everyone's talking about AI. Here's the truth. Most entrepreneurs are either overwhelmed or overhyping. There's no in between for them. Or the other factor, which is totally overlooking its potential. Where are you standing? Welcome back to Let's Talk Digital by CreazionMedia. I'm your host, Gaurang Agarwal. And today we are cutting through the whole hype. We are talking about GenAI in entrepreneurship. And not the buzzword, but the real tools, the use cases and mindset shifts that founders need to stay ahead for the coming years. First, let's talk about the biggest thing. Why AI isn't the future, it is actually here, it is working and it is actively helping people. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Synthesia, these aren't future tools. They are your new teammates. They are your colleagues, your seniors, your mentors. If you're using AI to reduce friction, you're operating at a manual disadvantage. 76% of the startups already use some form of AI in their core operation. AI adoption in SMBs grew 2.5x in the last 12 months itself. 3 smart ways that entrepreneurs are currently using GenAI: content drafting, workflow automation, and customer insights. You can do a lot of things in content drafting. You can take help of a lot of AI tools out there for blog generations, email drafting, caption creation, caption editing, and even podcast outline and 100% automated workflow for editing the same in manual in variety of resolutions and sizes. Workflow automation is the boom right now. In the last 2-3 months itself, we have seen a lot of tools which have popped up like Zapier, Make.com, Na10, and all of these provide you an extensive variety of things that you can automate on your daily life. You can use it to automate AI lead searches, extraction of data from Google. You can create a workflow which reminds you every time there's a ping for you, and it really works well. Customer insights. Use AI to sort through feedback. Use AI to sort through Google reviews, customer feedback on your Amazon or Flipkart sales. And AI helps you recognize pattern in seconds. Things that used to take you a week, months, just to create a pattern out of it, AI does it for you in literal seconds. The tools we use in CreazionMedia and we love our ChatGPT, we use Notion AI, we use Asana AI for all our task flow management, we use Make.com for a lot of workflow automation for sending drafts, sending replies, understanding briefs, drafting templates, and keyword research. Again, there's a trap, there's a caveat when you're using AI. Don't use AI to cut corners to your own thinking. Use it to elevate your thinking instead. Don't outsource your vision to AI. Use it to execute your vision faster. AI helps you scale clarity and does not replace creativity. Yes, you can use AI to come up with designs and videos and generate all of that, but that only happens if you actually think it prior, rather than letting AI decide what you want to push out. The danger of AI is that you become a lazy producer. You become a lazy operator as well. AI rewards the strategic people, not the sloppy people. Prompt engineering is just a fancy word for clear thinking. At Creazon, we treat AI as a junior partner. That's my personal. We have a lot of custom GPTs for our own company, for our clients. Every single one of our clients, we have created an internal custom GPT. It has the knowledge base, it has the resources, it knows everything that we have done for the client in the past months, the results, the review, the thinking, all of that has gone down in creating a very dedicated beast mode kind of a GPT. It helps us create options, streamline edits, it automates backend systems for us, but the final call is always human, always brand aligned. No matter what a GPT even says for us, it should align with what we think and what we feel would be better for the client. We are not AI run or AI driven, we are AI empowered company. Here's one liner takeaway for you. AI is a power tool, but it still needs a powerful mind behind it. Try one AI tool this week and tell me how it changes your process. If you want to learn AI, we are planning to create an AI toolkit which just sign up and we have the resources ready for you to test out multiple tools, multiple softwares, and multiple operational modes. Drop AI in the comments and we'll look into it. Follow me for LinkedIn for deeper breakdowns, subscribe on YouTube, and if you're building an AI first startup, let's talk. I want to feature some of you in our future episodes. Next up, we have live shopping, the next e-commerce frontier, coming soon on Let's Talk Digital. Thank you.